Stiletto sexy heels are the epitome of high-fashion footwear, exuding a unique blend of elegance, confidence, and sensuality that has captivated style enthusiasts for decades. These iconic heels, named after the slender and pointed stiletto dagger, are defined by their narrow and towering heels, typically ranging from 3 to 7 inches or higher. The thinness of the stiletto heel not only adds a striking visual appeal but also creates a leg-lengthening effect, making the wearer's posture more poised and their legs appear longer and leaner. Stilettos command attention. Their sleek, sophisticated design elevates any outfit, whether it's a glamorous evening gown, a chic cocktail dress, or even a pair of well-fitted jeans. The versatility of stilettos allows them to transition seamlessly between formal events, nights out, or romantic dates, making them an indispensable staple in every fashionable wardrobe. Stiletto heels come in a wide array of styles, from the classic closed-toe pump to daring stroppy and lace-up designs. Each style offers a different vibe, allowing wearers to express their personality and mood. Closed-toe stilettos are timeless and polished, perfect for business settings or formal occasions. On the other hand, open-toe or cut-out stilettos add an extra edge of allure, ideal for nights when you want to stand out. Materials like leather, patent leather, and suede give stilettos their refined look, while embellishments such as rhinestones, studs, or metallic details add a touch of glamour and luxury. The sleek silhouette of stiletto sexy heels emphasizes the curves of the foot, creating a sultry aesthetic that enhances the femininity of the wearer. Despite their beauty, stilettos are not just about appearance, they symbolize confidence and power. There is something inherently bold about stepping into a pair of these slender heels. The click of the heel on a marble floor, the elevated height, and the way they affect posture all contribute to an air of self-assuredness. Women who wear stilettos exude a sense of command and sophistication. Stilettos have also transcended mere fashion, becoming a symbol of empowerment. From the red carpet to fashion editorials, stilettos are often associated with women who are bold, fierce, and unapologetically themselves. Their ability to make an outfit go from ordinary to extraordinary with just a few extra inches of height has solidified stilettos as a fashion mainstay. Whether worn to impress, seduce, or simply elevate one's own sense of style, stiletto sexy heels are, and will remain, an icon.